Okay, we got our head here. Made adjustments so the mouth is going to open and close properly for us. So what we want to do now is we're going to mount our stick in here. Get it sanded down for now. So we're going to put the stick in. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you got any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. We're using 1¼ inch stick, 8 inches long. Glue that in, let it set for a little while, and then we can so we'll let this set up, then we'll drill our hole in here for our string to go through after it has a chance to set up and dry a little bit. And you see we have that glued in there, so that keeps that from rotating on us, and then we can just screw this back in here, and our mouth's going to open and close the way we want it. Thanks for watching.